Broken rod. We got a broken rod.
Don't let that fish whoop your ass. Don't let the line hit the graphite on the end.
Oh, Richard's got one too. What do we got, Dennis? What do we got, man?
Got a broken rod.
Holy shit, Dennis. Damn it. It's a big dog. Better get him up. Let me wait until you see. I get that grip. That's all. That's good for them to see it. Richard's over here. Come on. Come on, Dennis. Nice. Oh yeah. Alright, let me get the boga grip, dude. Where's the boga grip, bro? Right here. Oh, nice, dude. Slobs, dude. Slob, huh? Oh, shit. Shit. Oh, big one.
I need a bucket grip or a gas. I need a bucket grip or a gas.
Oh.
I need a bucket grip. Hey, cowboy.
Nice. Oh, this is solid. This is a solid one. Gotta get him out of the bottom. He's pulling hard. The big boy here. Oh man, it's a big boy. Oh my God, it's a big boy. Oh my God. The one. Whew.
Look at my rod.
Here, get the bow grip, bow grip. Get me, bro.
I think we got our limit
Well,
already.
one short of our limit.
Oh, there he is. Yeah! 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 That's what I'm talking about.
You see that bush?
That's what I'm talking about, baby.
What bag is it?
Huh? Yeah!
Grouper have it.
Grouper, have it. Huh? Nice 25 pounder.
Is it 25?
No, it's 20, probably 20.
Lay it and see.
That's about, look at the scale. That's probably about a 14.
Hey, Rich.
I don't know, dude. He's like 14, yeah, 15.
Yeah, right by the asshole. Kind of to the back above the fin.
Let him swim up. The bottom dorsal, the anal fin, hook it right there and let it swim up. That's a slob, dude. Yeah.
How do you get back to the fucking camera? Hang on. Alright, Dino.
Get me, both of us.
One a Dino. One more Dino. One a Turk. One more Turk.
Make the big feet on the bottom.
Alright, together.
Come on.
Together.
Sweet, sweet.
Alright. I need a bait.
Alright.
I ain't playing around with this.
All right, man.
Who wants to use this
Where's the hook
broken
out,
rod?
man?
We can
Where's the
take
hook
pictures.
out, dude?
We can take pictures.
Yeah.
This is pretty. Come on.
Yeah, I know. They're all crispy then. Good workout, bro. Hey, he grabbed it on camera.
That makes it he win.
Yeah. He grabbed it out of the rod holder, dude.
How much does he win? You see, did you get
like
camera of
15.
that one of me breaking a rod?
Oh yeah. No.
What do you mean no?
I stopped it because it was, dude, we weren't catching anything. I got you with the broken rod.
Oh, you did?
Of course.
I was going to say, next time you
Here,
push
let me,
the damn
here, hit that top button.
Is it on or off?
No, it should be off.